Hello, good evening students. Today's transcription number back of 229 on the speed of 100 words per minute. Start. Now, somebody has got to foot the bill of development, and this bill, more or less, during the last 10 years has been footed generally by the people. In this context, one has to analyze the situation and find out whether these taxes have come out of nothing or whether these taxes have come out of something more which has been put into the pockets of the people as a result of the development that has taken place in our economy. The survey says that the national income has gone up by about 40%. The per capita income has gone up by 20%. How that has been distributed among the various sectors of the society is a matter which is under investigation, and I hope before long the committee will be able to place before us statistics regarding the distribution of the national income. There is one thing which comes to my notice, and it is this. When we are having a planned economy, it must be based on actual statistics. Our statistical apparatus in this country is really defective. Probably it is in the course of making. If we point out the defects to the government and the planning commission as we see them, they might create a better apparatus so that from year to year we will know exactly where we stand. As the Honorable Finance Minister has stated in his speech, production has increased more or less according to our expectations. Industrial production has increased more or less according to our expectations. Industrial production has gone up during the last 10 years by about 66%. Agricultural production has gone up by 1/3. But if you look at the industrial production from a wider view, it gives a better picture. From the index figures of industrial production that have been supplied, one finds that there are in this country certain established industries like jute, textiles, etc. If the rate of production in new industries like the steel industry, the increase in electricity and certain other things are taken into consideration, we will find that the production has gone up by about 100%. Now, actually this is the achievement as far as the two plans are concerned. Therefore, in trying to criticize or make comments on this year's budget particularly, one has to take stock of the situation as it exists as a whole. Certain trends have been visible. The trends show that prima facie during the last 10 years, certain concentration of wealth has taken place. The government has recently appointed a committee which will look into it.